This is my family seems sus. That's funny.
What's funny?
Anna would like that one. Get that one. What are you shopping for today, Mom?
I haven't bought anything. I'm really impressed with myself.
Well, maybe you should be.
Oh, I bought that.
You're saving money. Got some CDs. All for one. Garth Brooks. The Village People. Garth Brooks. Garth Brooks. Tina told me to buy Garth Brooks. 25 cents each. I might buy them and sell them as a bundle. Try to get them for $1. These little lamps are cool. People do buy them. Got a glove. Bad condition. Joe Nero Construction. What else you see, Mom? Oh, Woolrich actually. Duluth, these are nice. How much are these?
I think that was the door.
Yeah, but they're good. Woolrich,
Yeah,
Duluth.
I think they're too big now for me.
They're not for him.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying.
These overalls. How much are these overalls?
10.
10. Yeah. I'll probably get them for 10. I don't mind.
He's gonna be shocked that I sold them. That's a friend of mine.
Really? Yeah, let me
Said
see
he
what
probably
else.
won't sell those, and I said, well,
They're
maybe.
nice, yeah, they're warm. They're good.
I know, me too. Everybody's like, you're not Irish. I'm like, yeah, I am, really. I promise. No, they were a friend of mine.
There you go.
Thank you.
Actually, I have 5 CDs. Can I have a quarter off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
How much did you pay for all of
$11. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Ma, how much are those Harley boots that we walked right by? Those. They're 7.5. No, there's a price right on the side. They're 25.
I got a spare one stashed in my
Kala. It's a classic game. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, Dad, look. Got some dog collars.
Nice.
Oh, look. Direct. Can't say it. I want to see this. What is
Old
this?
Yeller.
What's Old Yeller?
It's a movie.
Is it good?
It's really sad.
It's a good book movie.
It's a good movie. It is a little sad, but it's good. She said, what happens? Nothing.
Does an animal die?
Maybe.
Oh. She said, the lady said yes.
Oh, spoiler alert.
Yeah, I never watched it. I can make these.
Can you?
Thanks.
Blood pressure tester.
I have these at I have rubber bands at my house. And it somehow fits.
Top Shot Elite.
It doesn't fit. Oh, you're buying it for her?
Yeah.
It fits you perfectly. He put it down right away.
What's that? I'm on the wrong side of the table. You'd have to, it's a card game. Like it's a war. It's called War.
It's fun.
It's pretty fun, yeah. All the way back here.
All the way back there.
Okay.
Yeah. Except for the eagle back there. That's not. Yeah, that's what everybody calls.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Eagle's in high demand.
Where's the eagle?
Up on the wall. Or no, that one on the ground.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Hi, Dad. I found my plan.
Those are. They all come together in that little box for $1.
Oh, okay.
And if you want them, you can have them all for nothing.
I can do $1.
Okay. Little top slice.
Cal, you see these?
I'm taking them.
Those are cute. Can I ask him about them? This elephant.
She's a money lady. They don't
They're all
cost
made in
much
Japan.
money.
Japan's usually pretty good. Go ask her about them. They could be a good buy.
How much?
Free. That was in the free box.
Oh,
Yes,
Oh, it was, yeah.
It's free.
it is in the free box.
Anything in that box is free.
Yep.
All right.
Put it.
These look comfy.
I think those are what size are
They're 9,
they? 9. Okay.
which is what my sneakers are.
Okay.
Might fit me.
Fish.
I think
We've
I'm
got
gonna
what
get
you
this.
need.
They've got
I
exactly.
got a fish.
This is furniture.
Nice.
Yes.
That chair is free. That
And the
table,
chair is free.
table, and a bench with a table.
You got her. You got her to pull over.
Okay.
When she gets out, she'll be like, "Nah, none of that's for sale."
Yeah.
Can I have change?
Yes. 5.
No, you
Five
can't have
for
change.
Yeah.
We don't have change. Just,
Yeah.
yeah.
No change.
No.
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you.
This wicker table, I mean this, and 4 chairs,
Okay.
and it's $40.
Nice little set.
You
And
got
then
me
you have the
10
plain
cents for
table
$3.
over there. And you have a bench with a table.
And a stool here, and a free
Nice
chair.
little bag
chair.
A free chair.
for 50 cents.
I got stuff from the free box that's in my pocket.
There you go.
Good for you.
Yay.
Kelly, do you have 2 quarters?
Yes.
Here, look at 9. Yeah.
Look at this.
My whole pocket's full.
There you go.
So,
Thank you. All right. Did you pay for your thing? You got the little box of cars. All right. Thank you.
free seat.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You selling all these shoes?
Yeah.
How much? Oh, they're labeled. I see.
I'll say I was still in the
Yeah.
still in the process of pricing stuff this morning. I gave up last night.
You put out the signs and everyone just shows up, huh?
Yeah.
Quick.
We actually literally just got back.
Yeah.
Really?
He did a good job. They were very clear.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a cool. What's this? Is a roller coaster of some sort? Thunderbird? Where's that at? Raven. Oh, I know this park. Holiday World, yes.
Have you been there?
No, but I've watched videos about it.
How much is the jacket?
$20.
What? Nike Air Max. Kind of nice. What's that? Oh yeah, that's nice.
You can just lay it right here on this bench if you want.
Oh, thank
Where I
you.
was planning on.
I didn't see a price on those shoes.
Which ones?
The gray ones. These ones said 5.
That's fine.
These said 5.
Yeah.
These ones, I
5.
didn't know. 5. So just 5 each?
Yeah.
20 bucks for those. And how much is this?
5.
25. I probably won't get that. I'll take the shoes though. Oh, what is this? Bicycle inner tubes. Are you selling any bikes?
No.
Not right now.
No. We should look out for bikes today,
Yeah,
Mom.
we will. We need one for.
What size bike you looking for?
Oh, my kids want like these grandma bikes.
Go for it.
Oh, this
Yeah.
one right here. Well, that would be different.
Well, I think that's their bike, but that's the idea of what the kids want. Yeah. Yeah. 10 bucks, 20 bucks. Oh, cool. Anna would like that. 3 bucks. Yeah, put it in my pile. I'll get it for her.
Where's your pile?
The shoes. I'm buying a bunch of shoes.
That's the only thing you're getting for fun?
So far, unless you see something else. Yeah, a bunch of American Eagle.
Well, another SpongeBob.
Yeah, might as well. The girls will wear them.
They're kind of expensive though. This one's $5.
Yeah,
No.
probably don't need that one.
What?
Probably don't need that one then.
The other
3's not
one's-
bad.
The other one's 3.
Yeah, 3's okay. This is my family seems sus.
What?
That's funny.
What's funny?
Anna would like that one. Get that one.
My family seems.
Oh,
They're
and they'd
nice
like this
shirts.
one too.
They do have nice clothes. I don't know. There's a lot of them.
Here you go for you, Mom.
What does this say?
101 Dalmatians. I've never wear a couple.
Callie would. For $1, just put it in my
Yeah.
pile. I mean, they're going through clothes like nobody's business right now.
So I didn't think of that.
They keep growing.
This is a good James, this is not good book.
Aeropostale, yeah.
Better one.
Anna would like this one. Do you think that'll come out? Is that a stain or that's just...
Yeah, I think it's fine. You won't even notice it.
Alright, put that in my pile. I'm clothing my family today. Watch out, Ma. She's rolling. Everyone else left. We're the slow shoppers.
Save $1 for all these. The kids for Christmas this year.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Well, yeah, look at them. $1. Kids will wear them.
Let me see.
Little reindeer.
Yeah, they're cute, I guess.
They'll like them.
You know the clothes better than me, honestly.
It might be too small.
And you must be the Monopoly man. I think I've got enough. Let me get my total here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Yes.
10, 20, 30. So $41.
Okay.
If you want to double check.
I know they'll like those.
I got 42.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you. Have
Thank
a great
you.
day.
Good day. Did you look at the toys outside, Dave?
The what? The toys, yeah. Is that a, LOL? No. Is that Monster High? Hey, this yard hit sale has some 3M masks, the decent ones, the Cool Flow respirator, N95, cooler inside, respirator, all that stuff. It's a 2-pack for $3. I didn't know if you needed some. How many do you want? He said you can have this whole box of them for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He said, yeah, no question for him. Okay, thanks, bye. He does a bunch of metal work, so he's always looking for masks. There you go. $10.
Thank you.
You want me to just dump it and give you the box back probably? Yeah.
No, I want that box.
You want that box? Yeah, okay. See, it's good I said it nice and loud, right? He would have given it away.
He would have. I heard him. That's because he just doesn't want me to fill it with coupon stuff.
Exactly, yeah. Junie B. Oh, look at this. There's an Annabelle book.
They're 50 cents a book.
My daughter listens to Junie B. Jones every night. So it'd be kind of cool for her to try to read with them. I've got 7. Let me see if I can find one more to make it 8. SpongeBob, that'd make it 8.
7. I got 8.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, I told my daughter, I have spent so much money on books, it's ridiculous.
Oh, I know. Exactly. All right.
Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.
You too. Hey everyone, Dave the NC Picker here. Hope you enjoyed that video of me and my family shopping at garage sales. We do this like every weekend. Found some good items to resell on eBay to earn some profit, but also found a bunch of items just for my family, some essentials like clothing, things like that, shoes, that we can actually use here instead of spending money at the store. We get things like that for $1 or $2 at a garage sale and save a bunch of money. If you're interested in this sort of thing, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and check out some of my other videos where I find awesome items. And if you want to learn more about the reselling side, check out my other channel, NC Flipper, on YouTube. If you're looking for something to watch, check out this video next. I'm sure you'll like it.